In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get back your lost Gmail account. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do on Google's recovery page and how to move through each screen with confidence. First, open a browser and go to g.co/recover. This is Google's official account recovery page. For the best results, try doing this on a device and internet connection you've used to sign into your account before. That familiar setup can help Google recognize it's really you. On the recovery page, type the Gmail address you're trying to recover, then select Next. If Google recognizes that your account was recently deleted or locked, it may first ask for your password. If you remember it, enter it and continue. If not, look for the option that says Try another way. That link is there specifically for situations when you don't recall your password. From here, Google will guide you through identity checks to confirm it's you. Choose the option to use your two-step verification phone. If you see it, you'll be asked for the recovery phone number associated with your account. Enter that number carefully, then choose send so Google can deliver a verification code by text message or a phone call. When the code arrives, type it exactly as shown. These codes usually expire quickly, so enter it right away. If you don't receive a code after a short wait, confirm you have a signal and that the number is correct, then request a new one. Never share recovery codes with anyone. Google support won't ask you for them. Depending on your settings, you might also be asked to answer security questions you set up earlier. Answer them as accurately as you can. Even small details you've used before, like past answers or devices, can help confirm your identity. Once Google verifies your identity, you'll be taken to the reset screen. Here, you'll create a new password for your Gmail account. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used on other sites. A good approach is to combine a memorable phrase with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Enter it, confirm it, and save your changes. That's it, your access is restored. After resetting, sign back in and make sure everything looks right. As a final tip, consider storing your new password in a reputable password manager and double check that your recovery phone number and backup options are up to date. This makes any future recovery much smoother and keeps your account safer.